Weche matimore alwora counties makaluo wadhi nyaka kaunti no ero ma Migori kuma bende jokanyo mag migawo mar somo e kaunti ma Migori bende koro chako timo apedha mager mar manyo jopuonjre e kor gwenge ma kono ero mondo odogi e skunde. Chenro makamano ero ma bende otelie kod County Commissioner ma kono Migosi Boaz Cherotich geto yudo jopuonjre manyiri ma bende kwan gi nyalo hewo 500 mapok oyawo skunde nyaka gie sani nyaka ne yaw skunde duto e pacho kaendi chieng' wuok tich mar juma ni eri, ka iwacho ni mano ero en kaluwore ni gin kod iye kendo moko bende oseringo odhi onyuom kata odhi katedo. Cherotich owacho ni gibiro timo apedha makamago eko nyaka e piny libamba ma Tanzania mar manyo jopuonjre go eko. Bende omedo wacho ni okang' makoro jopuonjre manyiri weyo godo skul kono ero kata Migori kono ero kelo luoro mokalo ka sub county no ero ma Nyatike ler nitiere ni 33% mag jopuonjre manyiri sani koro ni kod nyithindo, to ka sub county no ero ma Uriri 28% mag jopuonjre manyiri moko nigi nyithindo, moko bende oseringo odhi katedo.
The system which actually identifies all the children who are in our public schools. This program that started last year, I think all children have been issued with birth certificates. And then they have been given also NABIS, that's the National Education Management System. So every child which qualifies to get any government support, definitely it has been identified. So this therefore means that non-Kenyans will not qualify, automatically not qualify. So, but in any case, what we are going to do is to do surveillance and ensure that such activity is taking place. That we expect a very small shortfall, and this is as a result of early cases of early pregnancies. We are working with the Ministry of Education and the Children's Department to establish how many of these girls are at home because of a number of reasons, early pregnancies and so on. And by end of the week, by Friday, we should be able to establish that. Otherwise, we are grateful to the county government, to the Ministry of Health, Education, because the ECD classes are assured by the officer responsible that all classes will be.
Children, they tell you that they are Kenyans, but they have relatives across. These are communities that overlap. The fact that they have relatives on the other side and crossing this other side, they claim relatives. And who live across in Tanzania, they are Kenyan, but they have relatives who live across Tanzania. And nobody bars them from living with their relatives. That is why you see a lot of crossing from Tanzania to Kenya.
When it comes to dropout, it is not so much. I want to say that just because it is opening, some are still not very much ready. But I know in a few days' time, the 90% will be there. So we need more classrooms. Other facilities like desks are very necessary. We are happy we have water, not so much enough, but it's good. And therefore, that is good on them.